This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Regina Carroll. Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a den, optional 3rd bedroom, nestled on a lakefront lot. Fully furnished and turnkey, this home offers a carefree, maintenance-free lifestyle for those 55 plus. Cable and high-speed internet are included. The home's comfortable living space combines function and style. Dual sliders from the living room and dinette provide access to the large-screened patio, perfect for dining al fresco. The primary suite offers dual sinks, separate tub and shower, and a huge walk-in closet. Cascades offers a 24/7 manned gate, as well as a wealth of opportunities for recreation, from golf and tennis to swimming and fitness, and the location is central to shopping, dining and medical facilities. One small dog is allowed, no smoking. Annual lease preferred. For more information, review the details below.